And this is the battery we need for the key fob for a Maserati Quattroporte 2015 2032. We need just one, but here we're gonna get all four. It's $11. In order to remove it, you have to remove first the mechanical key. You press this button, pull out the metal key. Once the key is out, you get access to this small bolt right here. So now we're gonna remove this bolt, and we will be able to remove these two silver hulls out from the key. As you can see, the bolt is coming out. This is our bolt. Now we can slide this part. As you can see, this slides like this. Another one slides in another direction, like this. And as you can see, it has some small cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can use a small flat screwdriver and slowly pop it out like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how our key looks like. And now we need a small bit to remove this bolt right here. As you can see, I have a small bit here. So our bolt is out, our micro scheme is out, and here's the battery. Or actually no, it's the same. I thought it's a different size. So now we're gonna install the new one. So here's our new battery. I'm gonna slide it back. Now we're gonna put this back as it was previously installed, like this. We're gonna tighten the bolt. That's it, the bolt is tight. Now we have to put this. And this is how it goes. One side, another side. It's all tight and back together. So now we're gonna slide this part. Actually, wait. Like this. And this side like this. And now we can put the bolt. Wait, where is the long bolt? Right here. I'm gonna tighten it back. The bolt is tight. That's it. Make sure the key is working. Now we're going to test it on the car.